Hello everyone! Today's story is Three Little Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. I hope you will like it. Today I have 1, 2, and 3 little pigs. Let's see what color they're wearing today. This little pig is wearing red. This little pig is wearing blue. And this little pig is wearing green. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. And the time came for them to seek their fortunes and build their houses. Before they left, their mother told them, "When you build your houses, make sure build them strong so that they would be safe from the big bad wolf." And she gave them each a kiss goodbye. Goodbye. The first little pig built himself the house of straw. The middle brother decided to build the house of sticks. It wasn't either a very strong house, but the third pig, the oldest, decided to build a house of bricks. He wanted his house to be strong because he knew that in the woods nearby there was a wolf who liked to catch little pigs and eat them up. When the 3 houses were finished, the 3 little pigs were happy, dancing and singing. "Who is scared of Furious Wolf? Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf. Who is scared of Furious Wolf? La 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 la." One night, along came a big bad wolf out of the woods. Woof! He came along and saw a little house of straw. He knocked on the door and cried, little pig, let me come in." "No, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin," said the little pig. "Huh," said the wolf. "Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in." And he sure did blow the house. "Can you help me blow? Let's blow 3 times. Are you ready?" And he blew the house in. And he tried to eat the little pig, but the little pig ran and ran so fast to his brother's house that was made of sticks. The wolf was still very hungry and really wanted to eat the little pigs. So he went behind the little pig and found his brother's house. The big bad wolf knocked on the door and roared.
Little pig, let me come in.
No, not by the hair on my chin, said the little pigs.
Ha! Then I will huff. Then I will puff. And I will blow your house down.
And he surely did blow the house. Can you blow 3 times again with me? Are you ready? Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh! Woo! And he blew that house down. But the 2 little pigs raced away to his oldest brother's house. His house was made of bricks, nice and strong. When the hungry wolf found their brother's house, the 3 little pigs were singing. Who is scared of Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf? This made the big bad wolf perfectly furious. He knocked on the door and roared.
Little pig, let me come in.
No, not by the hair on my chin, said all 3 pigs.
Huh,
said the wolf.
Then I will huff, and I will puff, and I will blow your house down.
Okay, let's blow 3 times again.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh.
But this time, he could not blow down that little house of bricks. So he decided to climb up on the roof and get in through the chimney. But the oldest brother was ready. He had a big pot of water on the fire. When the wolf dropped down the chimney, he fell into that pot of boiling water. Ooh! The water was very hot, so the wolf sprang straight up the chimney and raced away into the woods.
Away, away, away.
The 3 little pigs never saw him again and spent their time in the strong brick house, dancing and singing. Who Who is scared of Furious Wolf? Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf. Who is scared of Furious Wolf? Furious Wolf, Furious Wolf.